Hello guys, welcome back to NextGen Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a viral 3D statue using Gemini AI. This is super fun and really easy, so make sure to watch till the end. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Click on the plus mark and upload the image you want to turn into a 3D statue. It can be your selfie, a friend's photo, or even a character picture. Now, copy the special prompt I've given in the video description and paste it into Gemini. This prompt is designed to give you the best 3D toy-style statue results. Once you've pasted the prompt, simply click Submit. Gemini will process your request and start generating your 3D statue. If you want, you can also see how to do this on your phone. Just check the link up there. And that's it. Your own viral 3D statue using Gemini AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NextGen Tutorials for more awesome AI and tech content.